Authorities at Obrachire Senior High Technical School in the Central Region say the lack of equipment for practical lessons is affecting teaching and learning. They say tools in the woodwork and metalwork workshops are outdated and worn out, while other departments also lack essential facilities. Assistant headmistress of the school, Roberta Ofutua, says the school is sometimes forced to turn away students who wish to study technical courses.
Classrooms, which is not enough, have been converted into dormitories. And we are a technical school. We are doing electricals, visual arts, home economics is around, woodwork, metalwork. Unfortunately, we don't have any lab for any of them. For home economics, they are having a structure, the management has helped for them to somehow improvise. The technical and what have you, they had some woodwork materials, they gave it to them, but they are so absolute. It has been long overdue, and most of them are not functioning again, so they are only managing. And you can see the machines are all old, they are not working, but that is what we have for now. Somehow the teachers are doing what? They are almost like magicians. They manage to some extent. You know, some of them, no matter the repairs, they are not working. So they manage with other things, but we are praying. We are praying that these things will be looked at this for us.